So today I'm gonna talk about a visit tutorial for MIT AO2. So today for the programming session we focus about the important concept about Python program and object oriented programming. So first we learn about class and constructor. So a constructor is created using the harness is method and due to intellect and attractive of the object. For example, in the regular population class, the constructor is used to set the number size, the silent, and the x and y coordinate. And we also learn about the object and data file. An object can store its own data and use method to perform operation on that data. For example, the regular polyton project can calculate its perimeter and an area using the get perimeter and get area method. And also we learn about the access and mutator method. Access method are used to get the value and attribute while the mutator method are used to change the value, and each all help to organize and control the data inside a class. So we also learn about how Python handle pattern method. So with the count method, uh, it will change essentially because like the project will modify inside the function. However, the integer variable at time uh, remain zero because integer are mutable and the change inside function did not change the organizational variable. And we also working with the string as well. So we have some methods such as count, find, upper, lower, start with, and end with, and yeah. And all the methods can be useful in the real world applications such as sorted, evaluating information, processing user input. And also we learn about the regulation Python exercise show me how programming can be solved mathematical problem instead of calculating the perimeter and area manually. We can create a reusable class and we can reuse many times when we need it in like performing the calculation or different polygon. And for the challenge from this way, I think like to understand between like the modify object and modify the simple variable inside the function. Because like after working through some example, uh, the object can be modified through their attribute, while the immutable value such as integer cannot be changed in the same way. So it's a bit hard to understand, but when I practice in some exercise, more like it's easy for me to understand a bit. So that's all. Thank you.